How to link your Costco Citi card to your Costco membership. Let's get started. Today I am going to show you how to link your Costco Anywhere Visa card to your Costco membership. It's a quick and easy process, so let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you are connected to internet and have Costco mobile app installed on your phone, or else you can also use the web version. I'm going to use the web version. Open your preferred browser. Now type in Costco Citi card login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Go ahead and open this one. Costco Anywhere Visa Card by Citi. Open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Citi. Now at the top right, you will find the option of Sign On. Click on it. You will land to the login page. Now over here, you have to type in the credentials of your account. So type in the user ID and then type in the password. Once you type in, click on Sign On. In the case you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can click on these options to recover it. Once logged in, navigate to your digital membership card. Now tap on Add Payment to link your Costco Anywhere Visa card. You will be prompted to enter some details from your Costco Anywhere Visa card. This includes expiration date, CVV, and zip code associated with the card. Once you have entered all the information, simply tap Save to link your Costco Anywhere Visa card to your membership. Now, depending on your account security settings, you may be asked to verify your card. If prompted, simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. And there you have it. Your Costco Anywhere Visa card is now linked to your Costco membership. This means you can start earning cashback rewards on your Costco purchases right away. Thanks for watching and happy shopping at Costco.